I have to pee.
What the fuck? Good morning. So we just left our van at the transmission repair and I will be staying in this car. Today we're gonna see what's actually wrong with the transmission and how much will it cost to fix it. Join me in this day of car life. I'm so sleepy, so my plan for today is just definitely move around so I don't fall asleep. It's time to go for a walk. Okay, this place is gorgeous. It's called Fanshawe Conservation Area and it's this huge lake. I mean, huge for a city. Okay, that was super fun. Now I feel more awake and warmed up so we can go back to the car. I parked right next to the toilets, but they're closed, so I had to pee in the bushes. We have to move locations, so we're now actually driving to a different city. So we got the call that the van is fine and we can pick it up, but that doesn't happen for another like 3 hours and I'm getting hungry, so I need to grab some lunch. I don't want to eat at Tim Hortons again and I found this local bakery that I want to check out. Okay, I got the goods and now let's go to a park. Okay, I'm at the park and now I have to pee. So I'm kind of regretting my decision not going to Tim Hortons because there's no restrooms here. I'm thinking that bush over there. I'm not gonna put my jacket on because it's too shiny. I want to be hidden while I pee. Yes, I peed. Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me. This is called a snow cone, I think. Keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. Sweet and creamy. Oh, they didn't really have savory stuff, so everything I got is sweet. Oh, this is super like soft. It's like eating sweet bread with not enough Nutella. When you get the chocolatey part, it's really good. Okay, our last contender is apple turnovers. Oh wait, let me open this first. Wow, this... I'm sorry, Matthew. I would definitely go back for this. I have to stop doing this. So I got a lot of cream on my sweater. Like, what the fuck? The worst. Yeah, it's not coming off. I'm definitely hiding for the rest of the day. Okay, it is 3:35. They're almost done with work. I'm going to pick them up and then we're going to get the van finally. I'm not sure where I have to go because I film on my phone, so I can't use navigation. We finally got a nice call that nothing's wrong with the van. Usually when they call us, it's like, yeah, you just have to pay to the $5,000. I need to clean up real fast before they get here. Oh wow, it's so cold in here because the heat wasn't on for like the whole day. We're on our way to return the car, so Gaspar's driving the car and I'm driving the van, and I'm just gonna pick him up over there. The van is fine, we're good to go on vacation, and this is the end of car life for today at least. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!